Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get live wallpapers or animated wallpapers on POCO X7 Pro. To get them for free, we can use an app that is called TikTok, which allows you to use videos as animated wallpapers for our device. If you don't have TikTok yet, then you can go to the Play Store and then you can search for TikTok. And of course, this is the app that we need to use. So we're gonna open it. And once you open it, you might need to sign in or sign up. Now, if you have an account, then of course you can proceed. And I'm gonna just use my Google account for this. So let's proceed with that. We don't really need to agree to notifications. And now what we need to do is tap this search in the top right corner, and then we can type wallpaper in 4K. And then we can switch to videos, so that we only see videos, and then we can find a wallpaper that we like a lot. And now we can press this share button on the right side, this arrow, and at the bottom we need to scroll until we find set as wallpaper. So let's choose it. We might be asked to install the wallpaper plugin, so let's proceed. Let's press install. Then once it is installed, we can just go back and once again use the share button, and we're gonna set as wallpaper. Let's see if this works. One more time. So it seems to be not working. In that case, we can just close it and let's reopen. This time we're gonna open the TikTok plugin. Let's open TikTok to set as wallpaper. We should have our wallpaper over here. So I'm gonna select it, and then we can press set as wallpaper. Then we can choose it to set to the home screen or both home screen and lock screen. I'm gonna set it to home screen only. And there we go, we have animated wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!